Hello my dear friends, in this video we will going to learn the extended system. What is the extended system? If you balance the entropy generation, extended system. See, there is extended system. See, we know that the entropy generation, it is a something which is within the boundary of the system, within the boundary of the system. But if the entropy generation is zero, so if it is like look like that, that means if you have S in minus S out plus S generation is equal to delta S of the system. If this generation is zero, if this is zero, if this is zero, that means reversible process. But S generation is what? S generation, entropy generation, which is within the system boundary. Right? So it is reverse. So it is reversible, but internally. So it is reversible, no problem, but internally. Right? So if you find that, if you find the total entropy generation during the process, if you find that what is the entropy generation total, that means total matlab system plus surrounding, total entropy generation during the process. So for a total entropy generation, we can take a system. So for a system, this is your system, is called extended system. So there is a concept of extended system. And what is included in the extended system? These include system itself plus not surrounding, it is immediate surrounding. So what is the concept of immediate surrounding? What is the concept of immediate surrounding? See, there is a system. We think this is your system. This is your cylinder and this is your piston. You think like that. Okay? You think like that. Okay, so this is our system. So mind it, this is our system. This is our system. Okay? So this is our system. Okay, this is our system. And this is our surrounding. This is our surrounding. This is all our surrounding. Right? This is our system, then this is our surrounding. But surrounding which is very near to the system. And how can you decide where the effect of heat transfer will be there? The immediate surrounding. So there is a hot body. If you have a hot cup of coffee, so hot cup of coffee will transfer heat, and that heat will increase the temperature of the surrounding. It is not far from the system, it is immediate from the system surrounding. So if there is a heat will transfer, if there is a high temperature, if you suppose that this is a high temperature, so heat will transfer to the system. So heat will transfer to the system. Heat will transfer to the system, and this heat will transfer to the system is is responsible to immediate surrounding. So this is your immediate surrounding. So this is your immediate surrounding. Behind that boundary, the surrounding may not suffer. Surrounding may not suffer. So the generation is what? Generation is due to immediate surrounding. That means total generation, if you calculate the total generation, so if you calculate the total generation of the system and the plus the generation of the immediate surrounding. Why? Because immediate surrounding. So in the case of immediate surrounding, this heat will be affect to the surrounding. And which surrounding? Immediate surrounding. So this is called immediate surrounding. Immediate surrounding. Right? So this is called immediate surrounding, and this is your temperature of the surrounding. And this is your temperature of the surrounding. Right? So immediate surrounding is what? Immediate surrounding is where the external irreversibility is occurred. Where the external irreversibility will occur. And external irreversibility is occur which mechanism? External irreversibility will occur. Which mechanism? This is your by heat transfer. By heat transfer. So the heat transfer will affect not throughout the surrounding. This heat transfer will affect the surrounding which is very near to the system, called immediate surrounding. Right? Now see, the immediate surrounding, note point, here is a term in some book. Immediate surrounding is called buffer zone. Buffer zone. Right? Is called immediate surrounding is called buffer zone. See, buffer zone is what? This is your buffer zone. So this is your system, and we assume surrounding is a system. So if this system, this is the surrounding, this is your system which affects the immediate surrounding. If this is your any happening into the system, and that system will affect immediate surrounding, and up to range of this system to affect the surrounding. The range, this is buffer zone, it is a range. Which range? Which affect by the system, and it affect by the system, it is not throughout the surrounding, it is an immediate surrounding. So it is the internal irreversibility or external irreversibility. So mind it, internal irreversibility is within the system boundary, but external irreversibility is only in immediate surrounding. It is not a surrounding. So very important, I am telling you, irreversibility are two types: internal irreversibility and there is external irreversibility. So internal irreversibility is within the system, or external irreversibility is the surrounding, not surrounding. Not surrounding. It rather than it is immediate surrounding. Immediate surrounding. On which? Immediate surrounding on which? So the entropy change in this case is equal to, so what is the entropy change in this case? Entropy change in this case? What is the entropy change in this case? In this case, what is the entropy change in this case? Is equal to the sum of the entropy change of the system plus sum of the entropy change of the immediate surrounding. So what is the entropy change? So what is the entropy change of extended system? This is the entropy change of the system plus entropy change of the surrounding, of the immediate surrounding, right? So delta S of extended system is equal to delta S of system plus delta S of immediate surrounding, right? Now what is the delta S of the system? See, delta S of the system is what? It is S generation plus heat will accept. Delta is extended system is only due to heat transfer. So entropy change in this case is equal to the sum of the entropy change of the system plus entropy change of the surrounding, right? So under steady condition, see, very important, under a steady condition, what is that? Entropy of immediate surrounding at any point does not change during the process. Hence the entropy change of the buffer zone is 0. So if there is a steady, when the system is steady, so when the system is steady, so the system, when the system is steady, so the change of immediate surrounding, the property change of immediate surrounding, is 0. When the property change of immediate surrounding is 0, so in the case of steady condition, the system entropy change of extended immediate surrounding is 0. So under steady condition, entropy of immediate surrounding, this entropy of immediate surrounding is 0. Surrounding at any point does not change during the process, so this is 0 in steady condition. This is 0. So the entropy of extended system is exactly equal to the entropy of the system under a steady condition. Under steady condition, what is that? Entropy of extended system is equal to the entropy of system, right? Entropy of system, right? And entropy of system is what? Cyclic integration of dq by t plus S generation. But dq by t is what? For what? If their heat transfer will be negative, if heat will input is the positive, plus S generation. This is your system entropy. So the buffer zone is 0. Hence the entropy change is buffer zone is 0. Now evaluating the entropy transfer between the extended system and the surrounding. Now if you evaluate if you take this is extended system and surrounding, system plus immediate surrounding is the, see, there is three term, system plus immediate surrounding plus surrounding. This is surrounding, right? system plus immediate, right, this is not equal to, this is not equal to, this is your surrounding, right? System plus system plus immediate surrounding. So if you calculate the evaluating the entropy transfer between extended system, so this is extended system, there is theta, this is not equal to, this is not equal to, this is comma, this is your extended system and this is your surrounding. So if you want entropy transfer in between extended system and surrounding, so the boundary temperature, so the boundary temperature is the surrounding temperature we take. The extended system is the simply taken to be the environment temperature. So if you change the entropy between, if you change entropy, if you find that evaluating the entropy transfer between A and B, that means extended system and surrounding, the boundary temperature is what? The boundary temperature of the extended system, is equal to the surrounding temperature or environment temperature. So if this is your temperature, so if you take entropy transfer between extended system, so this is your extended system, so this is your extended system. So if you find the entropy transfer between extended system to the surrounding, you always take as temperature is what? Surrounding temperature. So what is that? So if it is like that, think about this one, if this is your iron block, let's example, this is your example number 1. What is that? There is an iron block, there is an iron, right? There is an iron block of mass is given, let's suppose 50 kg, and the temperature of the iron block is, let's suppose, this is one temperature, initial temperature, let's suppose 500 Kelvin, right? It is put inside a lag, there is a lag, this is your surrounding, this is your surrounding. In this surrounding there is a lake of temperature 285. This is your scenario is given, right? And if we think like that, so for that, what is the concept behind that? A specific heat is given for the iron is given, right? Cp of the C, because it is solid, so incompressible, Cp is equal to Cb is equal to C, and C is given, what is that? It is your 0.45 kilojoule per kg Kelvin. So this is your given. Now if you find that, what is your number first question is that, to find that what is your the entropy change of the block, entropy change of iron block. Number first is, see, the iron block, that means entropy change of a system, block is the system, entropy change of the iron block, that means system. So what is the entropy change of the system? It is what? m S2 minus S1. Why? Because there is a mass is given, right? This is your system entropy. This is your system entropy. What is the system entropy? This is your system entropy, S2 minus S1. And what is the S2 minus S1? If we apply like that, S2 minus S1 is what? M C ln T2 by T1, final temperature by initial temperature. T2 by T1, its temperature will increase. Why? Because this is the environment. In the environment, the pressure doesn't change. The pressure doesn't change. So the pressure term is cancelled out. P2 by P1 is cancelled out. So this is your entropy of an iron block. So this is your minus 12.65 kilojoule per kg. Now the second question is that number B. Second question is that the entropy change of the lake water. That means entropy change of surrounding. Thermal reservoir. But that means it will transfer heat. Though there is a transfer heat, this will transfer. Why? Because this is a high temperature. This transfer heat, but due to it's a lack, it's act as thermal reservoir. Due to transfer of heat, its temperature doesn't change. Its temperature doesn't change. Its temperature doesn't change. That means this is your. Its temperature doesn't change. So this is your. If this is your internally as well as externally heat transfer, externally reversible. There is a internally reversible. Why? Because this is internally reversible. Why? Because there is no any change in temperature. So this S generation is 0. So what is the entropy change of the surrounding? This is your integration 1 to 2 dq by T plus S generation. But there is no any generation. Why? Because its temperature will not change. Lake temperature is not change. So there is no any internal irreversibility. And what is this one? This is your Q lake plus what is the temperature? What is the temperature? Temperature is the surrounding. T lake. Why? Because the entropy generated during this process, the entropy, why? Because temperature of the lake water remains constant during the process, and also the amount. So what is the amount of heat transfer taken by the lake? The same amount which is rejected by the iron block. So energy balance. So energy balance, what is the energy balance? Energy in minus energy out is equal to delta E of system. So there is an, if the system is taken as a iron block, so there is no in 0. What is out? Q is equal to what is that? Change in kinetic energy potential negate, that means delta U. And what is the delta U? MC T2 minus T1, right? So this is your Q out. This is your Q out is what? MC T1 minus T2. To put the value of this one, so this is your 4838 kilojoule. So this amount of heat is received by the lake. So this is your lake. If you suppose that this is surrounding, this is your lake. So this amount of heat will receive by the lake. And what temperature? This what temperature of the lake? This is what temperature? This is your T lake. So what is the entropy change of the lake? So what is the entropy change of the lake? Delta S of a lake. What is the heat received? In positive 4838 288 kilojoule divided by temperature. What is the temperature? 285. So what is the entropy? 169.97 kilojoule per kg. Right? See, this entropy will decrease. This is less than 0. This is less than 0. This is negative. Right? So entropy will decrease when heat will reject from the system to the surrounding. If there is a system, if heat will reject, entropy reduce. So entropy reduce. If there is a system, which is gain energy as a heat, the system energy entropy will positive. So it is positive. Right? Now, third point is that number C. What is number C? Number C question is that the entropy generation generated during the process, S generation, during the entire process. So we know that entropy balance S in minus S out plus S generation is equal to delta S of system. Right? So there is no, this is a system, so there is no any in S in, this is a closed system. This is a closed system first of all, so there is no any mass. So in S in or S out, there is no any with respect to mass, only with respect to heat. So there is no, if the system is iron block, so there is no any heat is in, only is out. So minus Q out divided by what is the temperature? Boundary temperature. Which boundary temperature? This is your iron block boundary temperature, plus S generation is equal to delta S of system. No problem. So what is the S generation? S generation is Q out by TB plus delta S system. So what is the Q out? What is the Q out? 4838. See, this is very important. There is a boundary temperature for which we assume a system. So what is the system boundary temperature? What is the system boundary temperature? This is very important. So the system boundary temperature it is in generation. So this system boundary temperature always taken as the surrounding temperature. This is very important. I am telling you. This is very important. This is surrounding. Why? Because see, why? Because this is your where it is. This is your immediate surrounding. If you take this is your immediate surrounding. This is your immediate surrounding. So the entropy generation of the, see, this is your entropy generated during the process. That means total entropy generation. So the total entropy generation is the system entropy Q by T plus surrounding. So if this is your, if you put the value Q by T, the T is always this temperature. That means T of surrounding, over which this will taking place. So always keep in mind that the surrounding is, so you can also calculate that this is your boundary temperature. So this is your surrounding temperature. This is surrounding temperature. Okay. So this is your 285 plus what is the system? Minus 12.65, and this is equal to 4.32. This can also be calculated like that. This can also be done like that. See, S generation is what? delta S of surrounding plus delta S of system. Surrounding is lake. So what is the lake entropy? This is your lake entropy. Q lake Q lake by T lake plus, so this is your minus system minus, what is that, minus system entropy M yeah, plus S2 minus S1. This is also we calculate this generation. So the system entropy of the surrounding, system entropy of the system, and this combined is always greater than 0. So principle of increase. Why? Because delta, this is your isolated system, this is your isolated system. We take this two combined isolated system, isolated system, and we know that isolated system, for isolated system, delta S of iso is what? Delta S system plus delta S surrounding, and delta S isolated is equal to the S generation, total generation. Okay, isolated is in within the, if you take at, it is at isolated system. So this is very important conclusion here. So I am explaining again. See, if this is your system, if this is your system, right? If this is your system and if this is your surrounding, so what is the entropy generation of this system? Okay, it is, generation is always within the system, it is within the boundary of the system. So what is the entropy generation here? This entropy generation is due to what? So what is the entropy generation of the system? First, what is the entropy change of the system? Is what? M S2 minus S1, right? Okay, if heat will transfer to the system, Q, this is entropy change of the system, right? What is the entropy change of the surrounding? We take immediate surrounding, this is immediate surrounding in which the heat will affect, and on this, what is the boundary temperature? T surrounding. So what is your temperature? Q surrounding by T surrounding. So this is system entropy, this is system entropy, this is surrounding entropy, right? If system plus surrounding is taken as a, if system plus surrounding is taken as together, if system and surrounding is taken together, so this is an isolated system. So we know that delta S iso is equal to delta S system plus delta S surrounding, or if you apply this isolated system, this is within the system, isolated system, this is system, so it is within the system, so indirectly this is what? S generation. This is what? S generation. So we can take at is it is S generation is nothing, is it delta S of total, या delta S of isolated, या delta S of universe, which is nothing, which is delta S of system plus delta S of surrounding, which is greater than 0. This is the principle of increase in entropy. Very important, I am telling you. This is very important. Okay, thank you very much.